How to cancel a counter ticket using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial, I will be showing you how you can cancel a counter ticket or a ticket that you have obtained from a railway station counter. So you can cancel that particular ticket online and you don't need to physically visit a particular railway station, and you can do it hassle free and very easily. So let me show you the steps on how you can cancel a counter railway ticket using the IRCTC official website. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice, like the Google Chrome as I have opened here. And then you will need to simply search for IRCTC. And once you search for IRCTC, you can see this first link, that is irctc.co.in. So simply click onto this first link. And then from here you will get this message. So simply click onto this OK button to dismiss. Now you don't need to log in order to cancel your counter ticket. All you will need to do is simply click onto this more button, and once you click onto this more button, you will see this third option that says counter ticket cancellation. So simply click onto this counter ticket cancellation option, and now you will have all of the instructions required in this particular page. So as here you can see, under that transaction type, you need to select the cancellation option, and then you will need to type in the PNR number, which is written right here over your counter ticket in this yellow panel. And then you will need to type in the train number, which is present right here over your counter ticket. And then once you are done with that, you need to type in the following captcha over to this field and click onto this particular check mark that says I have read cancellation or boarding point change procedure and its rules. And once you are done with this, you will get an OTP on your mobile phone for the number that you have used while booking this particular ticket. And after you will register the correct OTP, an SMS will be sent to your mobile number with in the following status, as you can see onto this point number 6, that an SMS will be sent with PNR and refund details in this particular format. So after that, it might take up to 4 hours in order to cancel your tickets, or it also depends on different zones. So you can read the other terms and conditions and rules from this particular page right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.